Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set TikTok video as your phone wallpaper. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and first of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application, and we're going to go to the TikTok setting and privacy. So you can go to your profile first, and then you're going to click on these three lines on the top right. And here you can choose settings and privacy. In the settings and privacy, you can scroll down until you find wallpaper option or wallpaper menu right here. Just tap on that, and here you can click on find wallpapers to find wallpapers or find the TikTok live wallpapers you can set for your mobile phone. Okay, and these are the live wallpaper on TikTok. Then you can select the suggested wallpaper, or you can also search for specific wallpaper by clicking on the search menu right here. You just need to type in the type of the wallpaper you want to search. And for example, I'm going to select this one guys, a static wallpaper. I'm just going to search for what others searched for. Okay, I'm going to select this one, and I'm just going to select this one. Okay, just tap on the wallpaper you want to set on your phone, and then you can click on this icon, this arrow, and you can scroll all the way to the right until you find set as wallpaper. Okay, and the wallpaper will be downloaded, and you can simply click on set as wallpaper. Then you can choose either you want to set wallpaper on your home screen or both of your home screen and lock screen. And for instance, I'm gonna go with home screen. I'm going to use this wallpaper as my home screen wallpaper. Okay, now it's done guys, and I'm going to go to my home screen, and this is the final result. Okay, and if you want to access the wallpaper you have downloaded, you just need to go to the TikTok setting, and then the wallpaper will appear right here, and you will be able to use it for your phone wallpaper, either your home screen wallpaper or lock screen wallpaper. If you want to find more, you just need to go to the search and search for the specific wallpaper you want to apply to your phone. Okay guys, and that's all the way to set TikTok video as wallpaper. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.